Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you what is included in our awesome TRW Silhouette Cameo 4 Heat Transfer Vinyl Business Starter Kit. So, this is an awesome kit that you're getting supplies to be able to start making money right now at the price that other places just sell the Cameo for. How awesome is that? So, let me go through what's included in the kit real quick first. So what's included in this kit, you're going to get 3 feet by 20 inches wide of our Caesar Easy Weed Black heat transfer vinyl. Same thing, 3 feet by 20 inches of our Caesar Easy Weed White heat transfer vinyl. You're going to get our TRW pick tool, and that's your weeding tool. And then you're also going to get, obviously, the Silhouette Cameo 4 with the cutting mat and the blade and everything that comes with the Cameo 4. But then you're also going to get our TRW Stadium font. This is a really unique font that allows you, even in the Silhouette Studio software, to be able to type it out. The font was actually created by us here at the Rhinestone World, and our graphic designers. They drew out every single letter, but then it also has additional tails. So you can see right there how when I just type this design out, and it has pirates, and then I can just add a baseball bat or a different tail and all these different things to it that makes it amazing. So this one font can create you shirts like this one right here. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? So local little leagues, parents, moms, dads, maybe you want to get some glitter heat transfer vinyl to add on to do all the moms. You got your standard Easy Weed that comes in this pack. Now let's get into the numbers and see what we can make business-wise starting our business with this starter kit. So the design that I just showed you right here, you can actually make, with this little amount of material that you're getting, you can make 20 of these shirts, okay? So making 20 of these shirts, you're going to sell them for around $20 each, completely customized with a team name and a custom number, right? So at $20 each, you're making 20 shirts. That's $400 in sales. Now, 20 shirts, let's just say you're getting $3 shirts, all right? So you have $60 in shirt cost. So you're going to make $340 on this package right here in sales, including your shirt cost. Now, obviously, you have your labor cost and your overhead cost involved as well, but you've pretty much paid for this Silhouette Cameo as soon as you use just this little bit of material that comes with this kit to get your business started. Pretty awesome, right? So we have tons of tutorial videos on our YouTube channel to show you the process at the Rhinestone World YouTube channel, so make sure to go subscribe there. But that video right there, you can see, that's actually doing this design. So I'm actually weeding the design right there, and then I'm just pressing it right there. That's how easy it is. You can gang them up on your cutter right here, and you can cut, let's say, 5, 10 at a time if you want. It'll increase your production time, which increases your margins. So hopefully this video helped explain everything that comes in this Cameo 4 Heat Transfer Vinyl Starter Kit. If you do have any questions, of course, shoot us an email, info@therhinestoneworld.com. Give us a call, 941-755-1696, and we look forward to growing and building your business. Thanks for watching, crew. Later. Now, the link to this kit that I just covered is in the description right below here on the YouTube channel. So click on that link, it'll bring you right to it, and you're good to go. Thanks, crew. Later.